I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an excellent question from my subscriber. Now, this subscriber is just a grade 5 student. Let me write down here. Grade 5 student. And here is a question which is so difficult to answer. It says, the question is, provide two examples where perimeter is twice the area. Now, how should I answer it? So what I did was, I kind of experimented. So you want different shapes, so I began with square. So if you take a square, in that case, what is the perimeter and what is the area? Let's make two columns. So one column for perimeter, another column for area. Now it all depends on the side length, right? So we say S for side. All sides are equal, so we can say side length. Okay. So side length, if it is S, perimeter will be, there are 4 equal sides, so it will be 4 times S, we'll write 4S, and the area will be side times side, so we'll write side times side. Grade 5 students probably don't know S square, right? Okay, I'm assuming that. She might know it. Okay, now, so let's make a table and fill up the values and check for what value do we get twice perimeter than area. So if I take side length as 1, maybe centimeter, meter, whatever, so 1 unit we'll call, 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so we get this. If I take this, now here, perimeter is 4 times, 1 times 1 is 1. Now if I take this as 2, I get 4 times 2 as 8, and 2 times 2 as 4. So you notice that for a side length of 2 units, it could be centimeters, meters, whatever you choose, perimeter is twice, right? Perimeter is twice. If I continue, we have 3 times 4 is 12, and the area becomes 9, and for 4, 4 times 4 is 16, and here also 4 times 4 is 16. So as we increase the side length, area starts increasing, perimeter not that much. But for lower values, perimeter is higher, right? So for lower values, you see perimeter is higher. For 2, it is twice as high. So one of the examples here is, we could have a square of 2 units each side. So that could be one example. Now similarly, let us experiment with another shape. So let me take this time circle. Now in grade 5, probably you don't know the formula of circle, but since you are a keen learner, let me give you the formula. Area and perimeter of circle, right? So let's say radius is R. In that case, for a circle, perimeter is all along the surface of the edge, which we call circumference, right? So circumference is the perimeter. For a given radius R, the formula for circumference is 2 times pi times R. Okay. Now, we'll talk about pi also anyway. As far as the area is concerned, area of the circle is pi r square. Okay. Now, remember one thing, when we say perimeter is twice, we're only comparing numbers, not units, okay? Because units for perimeter, if you take a centimeter, then the area units will be centimeter square. So the units will be different, right? So remember, whenever I say provide two examples where perimeter is twice the area, do not compare these units, okay? Just compare the numbers. Now in this expression, pi is a number which could be written as 3.14 approximately. Is that okay? Now these are the formulas for circumference and area. If I write r equals to 1, in that case what happens? For r equals to 1, if I write r as 1, I get circumference as 2 pi. And area is pi times 1, which is just pi. So we see that the circumference is twice, right? So that becomes our second example. So a circle with unit radius. Correct? So I am in a position to provide you with two examples. One, a square whose sides are 2 units each, and the other one, circle whose radius is 1 unit. Okay, so I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and do let me know if that really helped you. Thanks a lot for posting such an excellent question, and all the best.